हैंगजू में दुनिया की मारूफ तरीन ई कॉमर्स कंपनी अलीबाबा ग्रुप के हेडक्वार्टर्स के दौरे के मौके पर वजीर आजम का कहना था,
Headquarters of the Alibaba Group. I am very glad that my meeting with Mr. Jack Ma at the World Economic Forum in January this year has come to fruition in the shape of the MOU that we are signing today. While I take this opportunity to admire the spectacular success of the Alibaba Group over such a short period, I would like to add that I am as impressed to visit these premises as I was happy to meet Mr. Jack for the first time in Davos. My appreciation of Mr. Jack Ma's dynamism and contribution, as well as the performance of the Alibaba Group, comes not just from Alibaba's success as an e-commerce giant, but more so from the focus of the group on job creation and livelihood generation, its patronage of the small and medium enterprises, its promotion for entrepreneurship, and its emphasis on human resource development. Indeed, Alibaba is a business with strong humanistic dimensions. And these are the very values that are the pivot of the policies that my government has pursued with determination and commitment since assumption of office in 2013. We have achieved much success, but much more needs to be done.
वजीर आजम मोहम्मद नवाज शरीफ ने खिताब करते हुए कहा,
I'm a firm believer in the political empowerment of the people through economic empowerment. And in today's world, e-commerce is a very powerful tool to stimulate economic activity, effort, innovation, and entrepreneurship across all productive sectors of the economy. E-commerce reduces transaction costs and time tremendously, fills information gaps, revolutionizes market access, and generates multiple forward and backward linkages for enterprises, especially in the SME sector. From this vantage point, e-commerce is a catalyst for economic inclusion and enablement, and consequently of political empowerment. During the past 4 years, to provide the basic infrastructure for e-commerce, we have promoted digital and financial inclusion of all, particularly of the most disadvantaged segments of our population. We have also made ICT services more affordable across the board to support, amongst other things, digital transactions and transfers.
वजीर आजम मोहम्मद नवाज शरीफ का मजीद कहना था,
Jack Ma shared with me his interest in establishing an e-platform in Pakistan. I immediately instructed my office to facilitate Alibaba's initiative in every possible manner within the shortest possible time frame. I am happy that today we will sign an MOU within less than 4 months of when we first conceived the idea. I would like to assure you, Mr. Jack Ma, that the government of Pakistan will continue to facilitate you with the same earnestness of purpose. In turn, we are confident that the Alibaba Group would also make every effort to establish its infrastructure in Pakistan at the very earliest. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. मुल्की, बैनुल-अक़वामी, समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती और खेलों से जुड़ी हर छोटी बड़ी खबर का मरकज TNN TV।